everybody, welcome to Embellish the Story. It's Tammy, and I wanted to do a really quick project today and show you the digitals I'm using in the project. This is a new kit by Ooh La La Vintage Treasures, and Doreen has designed some really fun things for us to use. And I will tell you, I'm going to make a belly band today. And I wanted to show you these papers really quickly. Doreen put I think there was 22 pages in this kit, so I just printed a few to give you an idea of what's in the kit. So many pretty things. These are little strips, and these are like bits of paper and bits of laces that she's collaged. And this flower is actually this flower that she did pink. So, isn't that neat? She sent this to me in a really sweet Happy Mail when I first started on her design team. So, here's this beautiful paper bits page. There's bits in that have pinks, and then this one is all neutrals. So, if you wanted some pinks, here's a cameo on this one. If you wanted some pinks, they're in there, but if you're going all neutral, that's provided too. Here's this one. It's collaged on some book pages. These are so, so pretty. And then here's the neutral version. And this could be a perfect tuck spot. I'm making a belly band out of it today. She's got some word pages. Beautiful, loved, treasured friends. And she has them larger and smaller. And those see, those are in the vintage and the neutrals. She has this book belongs to, and this journal belongs to. She has a page of that, which is really neat because I've always wanted something that said that. She has button cards. So here's the pinker button card set, and then here's the neutral. Aren't those pretty? Such a pretty, fun kit. These are like, I immediately thought this looked like book pages. And these are journaling cards, but I immediately thought what a fun booklet these would make. Or a page topper would be really pretty made out of these. And then here's this pretty set of embellishments, and it has the cameo. Then there are some background pages. And there are several of these. I just printed a couple. It has the pretty roses, the book page. And then here's this one with more of the black and whites with the sepia. So I'm going to be using these today to make a quick project that I'm going to send to a friend. So let's get started. So I wanted to do a quick little goodie bag for a friend, and I'm going to tuck some things in and pop it off in the mail to her. And so I've just pick some things to do very quickly to make this little goodie bag. And I want to put a belly band on the front so I can tuck a card in it. So I'm going to make the belly band very quickly. And I picked just one of the neutral paper bits because the things I'm sticking in to the bag are neutral. I picked Treasured Friend. And then I've just made a little bow. Just tied a little bow to put on there. I did pick a piece of lace to back the belly band on. So here's the lace I picked, and the reason is because it has scallops on both sides. So when I put this in the center, then I have a pretty edge on both sides. Oops. So this was a little longer, this piece, and I've already trimmed it down to fit the bag. And I'm just going to put a little belly band on the bag. So I'm going to glue the little snippet, paper bit snippet on to the lace. I'm just going to center this. I should have picked up this dolly. I'm having a hard time seeing what's the dolly and what's the lace. I don't usually when I start crafting, I've got my plain desk. All right. So I have the lace on either side of the snippet piece, and I'm simply going to glue this on here like a belly band. I'm going to glue it here and here. So that I can pop something behind it. try to get this in the center. All right. So there's my little belly band, and then I'm just going to make the quickest little decoration. And I picked Treasured Friend because it is a sweet friend of mine. And I'm just going to pop Treasured in from there, like almost like it looks like a gift tag, because this is like a little goodie gift bag. And I'm just going to pop these words down here. And put a little bow. Like it's just a little, like it's a present. My granddaughter says, "Prezi." She's like, "Is that a prezi for me?" So you can see Treasured Friend when you kind of peek around the bow. You can see Treasured Friend there. And I'm going to write her little notes. And these are 3, I didn't show these earlier. These are 3 beautiful journaling cards, or they can be made into tags that come in the Snippets of Love Paper Bits kit. And I think I'm going to choose this one because those, I just love those roses so much. They're all pretty. They're all hard to choose from because I love these because of the pearls. So it's hard to choose. Anyway, I'm going to stick this in. I could do 2 actually. And now I have this pretty little glassine bag that with a little card, and I'm going to tuck some fun goodies in there as a special treat to a friend. So I'm going to leave the link to Doreen's Etsy shop where you can buy this Snippets of Love Paper Bits digital set, and then all her other digital sets are in there. Everything is just beautiful that she does. So this is a quick little video because I'm packing to run to the beach for a few days and just kind of recharge my batteries. So thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a great day. It's this is Monday, Memorial Day weekend. So I hope you've had a great Memorial Day weekend. And thanks for your support. Y'all are just lovely. Absolutely lovely. So I will talk to you soon. Always remember to embellish the story. Bye-bye.